this is also very nice today on the 18th of July 2023. Here's Paasikivenkatu 23 here in Kerava, modernized Finland with 5 floors, and it was built in 1999. So I'm going to say 69984, turning 25 years old in next year, 2024, when it will be inspected again. And it deserves the rights. Very fresh and clean.
Yeah.
This is the one that we thought was another 2000?
No.
Or?
No, they are Sibelius 2 and 4. They are anknamn, but from 2002, like the library.
Ah, okay. So that's a different house?
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva, but maintained by Kone.
Still has the CE from America.
Yeah.
Like it's quite a lot of these 99ers.
Yeah.
And the early Sigmas. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. That was another very nice one.
That's